Hello my people, and welcome to my channel. So for this particular video, I want to show now how to find the P over the V when they give you V to be equal to 100. For this question where they say PV equal to 100, make you find the P over the V. If you never subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video, you will receive notification. That one is very important. And don't forget to like this particular video. So make you solve this particular question quickly. The first thing we could do, we say, as I don't give you say PV equal to 100, na the information you go start with. Some students will rush, say, okay, since they say when V is equal to 100, they'll come plug 100 here. Anywhere they see V, they'll come put 100 equal to 100. Then divide both side by 100. Divide both side by 100. Therefore, P will be equal to 100 divided by 100, 1. What do you achieve? They don't say make you find P. They say make you find the P over the V. You say they're wrong. And you go see say this particular option, this answer there for one of the options. So don't do them like that. See what you go do. When you rewrite the equation, will be this one. The first thing we'll do now to divide both sides by V. Why did they divide both sides by V? Because you want make V there for the right. You differentiate this P with respect to the V. So V need there for the right. And why you divide both sides? So I get 100 over V. You know, say this 100 over V. Now just like this. 100 times 1 over V. Now give us this one. 100 times 1, 100 over V. I split it like this because if I tell you, say, from here, you're going to get P equal to 100 V to the power of minus 1. Some of them will say, how it take happen. Let me make a first split this one like this. I want to let you know, say, this thing are the same thing as this particular. We got 100 times 1, 100 over this V. But 100 times this 1 over V, now same thing as V to the power of minus 1. This one over with the negative index, or with we call an inverse or reciprocal, it will change to become minus. Then this one will come here. If not 3, I'll show you something. Even if you get them as maybe 1 over V squared, 1 over will change to minus sign. We're going to get V to the power of minus 2. All these ones now from negative index. Now you go learn now for indices. Where they say if you get a to the power of minus B, this minus will change to 1 over and a raised to the power of b. If I get a to the power of 1 over a to the power of b, I first transform to a to the power of 1 over will change to minus b. You don't learn. So now what they use for here be that. I just take them bit by bit, make you know for confused. So 100 times a to the power of minus 1 will give us this one. You get the point now. Write them down, may you not confuse you. So when I get to this point now, why I even pull on from this point to this point now? Because make I for feel differentiate. Now I will take the derivative of this p with respect to v. How I want to take differentiate this one? Now watch, see the formula we use nx to the power of n minus 1. But as here now v we use, we change this to nv to the power of n minus 1. Anything with the power, remember 100 a constant, you go keep on constant. No be 0, you go keep on constant first. Minus 1, 9 be the power. 9 is anywhere you see n, you go put minus 1. So watch. Minus 1. I don't differentiate here, make you see what they do. V to the power of minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 v to the power. Minus 1 minus 1 give us minus 2. And negative 1 times anything, that's still negative of that thing. So now waiting I will get this. But I don't like the answers either like this. So I won't put them in a fraction form. Remember I say this negative sign could change to 1 over. Which will remain. Now v squared. This minus there. So now I'll come carry the answer I get. Yes, I don't differentiate already. 100, I mean, say make you keep a constant. So 100 times, which you differentiate, then with this one, then be minus 1 over v squared. So 100 times minus 1 will still give us minus 100 over v squared, dp over dv. This one's supposed to be the answer. But now we can apply this one, say when v equal to 100. So that means anywhere I see v, we can put 100. You get the point now. So minus 100 over, place of v, I put 100. I go square because of this square way there. So you and me know say 100 squared means 100 times 100. And that will give you 10,000. Or just put 4 zeros. See I'm here. Now to keep this thing simple, we also say this first zero will come out this one, the second zero will come out this one. What will remain? Therefore, dp over dv will be equal to minus 1 over 100 remain. Let me the final answer to this problem. Me, I believe say the way I break am down, you enter, you learn well well. And now you go still help me like this video and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell icon, make anytime where I upload video, you go first be the one to see the video. And then share the video, make other students like you follow learn. I don't come out.